Hold on, guys. Don't scroll. Give me a minute, please, of your time. Yes, I was rescued. By what? The healing power of water. Yes, guys, 2001, I was diagnosed with a disease that almost took me out of this circle of life. Right? Through medicine and traditional medicine, God have given me a second chance today. Yes. So the story goes as is. So I was diagnosed with rheumatic heart disease. Right?
What's that? Say that again.
Rheumatic heart disease. Yes.
You were
It's a
diagnosed.
prolapse.
You were diagnosed with that.
Right.
The same thing we then call a hole inside of your heart.
Right. Yes. So
Continue.
it's a process in which I have a prolapse in the mitral valve of my heart. Right? So I went through, I did all the tests, and I started my treatment that should have lasted a lifetime. But through drinking coconut water and tuna gave me a chance of not doing all of the process. And it goes as this. I started my treatment 2001, and then 6 months into the treatment I started drinking jelly water, coconut water daily. I easily cover like 6 or 5 jelly every day, to the point where my urine is absolutely clear and crystal. I go to the clinic every time to get the medication. I got 6 treatment. I got 6 injections that I should have been getting right through. This is something that I should be getting right through my lifestyle. Right through my lifestyle. Everybody was saying, boy, you're not gonna have enough space to take injection. And that played and resonate in my head each day. But guess what? I said I have to myself, I need to find a way, need to find a healing power. And somebody told me about the coconut water and tuna, and I started it 6 months into the treatment. 1 year has passed and completed. After that, when I go back to the doctors to test, they were looking at me like some aliens. Or somebody that's out of a different planet. They call them crowds. It was drones of doctors surrounding me to say, who diagnosed you with this disease? Who told you that you had rheumatic heart disease? I'm not seeing anything here. You're on treatment, you're on blood thinners, you're on other medication, including penicillin, and so that you should be getting on a monthly basis right through your life. I'm not seeing any prolapse in your heart. I'm not seeing any hole in your heart. I'm not seeing any of the signs that you're sick or ill. This is a year after starting the first treatment. Starting this treatment that should have lasted me right through my life. So guys, I'm saying this to say to you, no matter the challenge that you face, God has the answer. You're on this earth for a reason, right? So you need to find that inner self and that inner peace and be the best that you can be. You never might know what life has to take you on the journey, what life journey has to offer for you. So I am dedicating this life that I have, the journey of healing, the journey of being a positive influence on the society.
Yeah, man, and let your food be your medicine and your medicine be your food. This video will be titled The Healing Power of Coconut Water and Tuna. Yo, a knowledgeable true virgin on the motivational trainer. Me I say, yo, big up on the rat itself, you know, man. Yes, for daily motivation like these, please check out my new book, Earth, it's on Amazon. See ya, check it out.